What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the KS Moto Cafe. Today's topic is about preparedness and how prepared are you for a motorcycle accident. So let's cue the intro and let's get to the topic. Okay, so let's talk about preparedness. For me, it's pretty easy. Coming from a military background, it's always been kind of engraved into my training to prepare for the worst case scenario. So for me, being prepared for natural disasters or power outages, or some unforeseen freak accidents, I'm always kind of prepared for it by having the right kit. Now, with that said, I really did contradict my way of doing things for motorcycles, because I actually haven't had the chance to put together a trauma kit. And I think it's only because I put too much priority on learning how to ride a bike first and really trying to mitigate myself from having an accident. But that's not the case, because accident does not wait for anyone. I've been regularly watching DanDanTheFireman YouTube channel, and if you have not seen or have been to his channel, I would highly suggest for you to go check it out, especially if you're a rider that wants to be safe on the road. Like the way that he does for the after action review of motorcycle accidents is just perfect, and I learned a lot from it. If you are new to riding, or you're still an experienced rider and you just kind of want to be safer on the road, but without spending $600, $700 on an advanced rider's course, I highly suggest checking out his channel, just because you'll learn a lot from it. I mean, some of the accidents, of course, it is the motorcyclist's fault for being an asshole on the road, but some of the other videos, it's something that's inevitable, and there are bad drivers out there, that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going for a quick ride through my favorite route, and then dropping by the local store to get myself a motorcycle safety kit, only because it might not be me that's needing it, but if I do witness an accident or am close by, that I can at least assist someone else, whether they're a rider or a pedestrian or a driver. At least I'll have the first aid kit to assist them with. And again, I am first aid qualified. I have an obligation to assist if there is a requirement to. When bad things happen, being prepared is the only thing that will potentially save you from further harm. The worst thing you can do is not be prepared. And if you got the time and you got the money, and they don't cost that much, you can put it together by yourself or purchase a kit that's already made. So come with me to the shop and watch me pick out a first aid kit, and maybe it will influence you to get your own kit if you don't have one. And if you do have one and you would like to share a kit that you made yourself, let us know on the comments below, because sharing the knowledge is very important in this community. So it would be nice to know what other people have for their safety kit. For me, like, first things I bought really was repairing my bike stuff. So I have a battery tender that I can use to jumpstart the bike if my bike fails to turn on. And I have a little tool kit that I carry around in my backpack, like the socket set, that gives me a little option to do a little bit of quick repairs if I need to. But that's kind of the baseline of what I had. I didn't have any bandages and all that stuff, so shame on me for not doing it, even though I'm preaching it right now. But that's the reason why we're going to the shop right now to get one.
A few minutes later.
If you're watching this from Canada, you know that I'm going to a crappy tire. I mean Canadian Tire. Giving you free advertisement there, Canadian Tire. Hey, how are ya? Yeah. Oh, okay. There you go, camping. Such nice people here. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's see. That's a lot of choices. What do you got here in first aid kit? Not bad. $12. Trauma kit for one. What's in ya? Bandages, splinters, moleskin. Okay. That's better. I like that one. No, that's good. Very similar. This one's $50, which was one I picked up $20. So it's for $20, that's not bad. Now, oh, that's nice and compact. Fishing kit, duct tape, compass. Oh, that's cool. Rubber blanket, fire starter, spark. Oh, that is nice. Problem is, this doesn't have the first aid stuff I need. Shit. This is what my wife hates when I'm shopping. I'm always looking at things in super detailed. This is $30. Wow, this is a niche item. It's not what I'm after. I'll go with my thing here. Cool. Let's go with that. Hi. 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 Hello. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Like your little sweater. Thank you. Ride. Well, now I got my first aid kit. So, hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something about preparedness. And if you don't have it already, hopefully I was able to convince you to go on and purchase yourself a first aid kit for your bike. Because you never know, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and just click that subscribe button. It will help me increase my viewers, obviously, for my channel, and give me a little bit more motivation to carry on with certain topics like such as this. If you have any suggestions on the content that you would like to see from a motorcycle channel, let me know from the comments below, and I'll do my best to do that for you. So until next time, peace.